Hi, welcome to tin box number 6. I have Shelby watching me today. I'm going to start with some 10mm Seraphinite. Seraphinite got its name because of angel wings. It looks like there's angel wings in here. There's different grades and qualities of Seraphinite, and this happens to be one of the highest that we've ever had, and I love how it's just so ethereal. This is P31.95, and those are 10mm Seraphinites. Those are $11. And in my box, there's other things. So here is some Star Ruby. So Star Ruby has its name because you can see a star in it in very good lighting. Here you go. You can see some of the asterism or the star there. These lovelies are 13.5mm. Gorgeous. We only have 14 of these. We've had this strand for, a decade and a half or more, and now we're ready to release them by the piece. I think you'll love P3188, the Star Ruby, P3188. Next up, I have the linked cage gemstone holders. I got these because a friend of mine came in last year, and she was so excited about this little cage. She's like, it's my favorite. Then I ended up getting one for Christmas, and I was like, that is pretty darn cool. So this is how you use it. You separate the rings at the top, and then it opens up to like a little purse. So you can put what you want into the purse. Put this shell, and then you slide this silicone slider down to close on top. You can wiggle it around so you're sitting exactly the way you want. And look at that. That's pretty cool. So these, I only got a few last year, and I'm finally putting them out. This is M1366, and this is the stainless steel, and this is M1366. This is gold plated over the steel. They're only $11.99 and $15.99, so you can't go wrong. It is such a cool way of putting in your tumbled stone or shell or whatever you want as a keepsake. They do come in different sizes, but I like this size. It seems to fit mostly everything we have. Next up is MIX070. This is baby blooms. It's a glass bead mix with, oh my god, this mix is awesome. It has like flowers that are yellow, blue. You can string it up like this. Just a little sample, and it is $15. This is old mix, old price, and a lot of these are vintage now, which is very exciting. And there's crystals, Swarovski crystals in there. So something I dug out at an old price that I thought you would also like. These are my sapphires. They're 8.5, and we have a light, medium, dark, and a mixed. So you string these up just like this on a chain and wear sapphires. If that's your birthstone or you want to give somebody a gift for their birthday, here are some sapphires ready to rock and roll. This is the mixed, the dark, the medium, and the light. Last in the tin box today, I picked these out about 2 years ago, and we just got them as necklaces, and we added these Amazonite charms on. The Amazonite are sterling silver, and then it is plated in rhodium, real rhodium, so it's not going to tarnish. It'll stay beautifully. That silver color is the 2.5mm graduated turquoise. This is the 3mm faceted graduated turquoise. They're both $136, and so pretty. Just give you a full view. The necklaces have an adjustable chain in the back, so it can go to 19 inches. Turquoise is so cute.